Dun, 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 dun. So that's it guys, the Hero 5 Session, and is the latest model, so it's not the old one guys. So this is the 2017 model and they haven't released any new models after this. So let's see what we have here. So we have 4K 30 FPS, 1080p at 90 frames per second, and waterproof, obviously waterproof, up to 10 meters, which is 33 feet, and also voice control as well. But just remember guys, if you use the voice control, you're gonna drain your battery very fast because the mic is always listening to you. So that's it. I don't really prefer using the voice control that much, but I would say it's really helpful. So yeah, and the battery is not removable as well. So comparing with the Hero 5 Black, which you can actually change the battery in your Hero 5 Black, but not in the Session guys. And that's it. And we have the camera itself, obviously, the mount case, so which is, you can see the case around. So that is this one, screw, and what is it, it's like the bottom part, I think. To stickers, I mean mount stickers, you can stick your camera with something like your helmet or your bike or anywhere you want, you can just stick it. A USB type C port, so this is the new update guys. So the previous one didn't have the USB type C port, but this one have the USB type C port. So alright, let's unbox this. So alright, you just open it from the bottom, then you just pick it outside, take it outside like this. So that's our camera guys. It looks like a webcam and it's very small guys. So it's the, I would say it's the smallest action camera. Yeah, just comparing with the other cameras, I mean obviously the Hero 5, Hero 6 is the best camera right now, but if you compare the size, so this one doesn't have the screen, as you can see. That's why this one have less price than the Hero 5 Black. So, and I prefer the small camera. I don't actually need the screen at the back, because you can, if you just connect it with your smartphone, you can actually see what pictures did you take or what videos did you make. But there is a problem with this camera, because you can't change the battery. The battery is fixed, you cannot change the battery. But if you go for the Hero 5 Black, you can actually change the battery, because that's removable. So you can always keep 2 or 3 batteries in your pocket, so that is really helpful. But I went for this one because I don't actually want a bigger camera, I mean as small as possible. So that's why guys, I went for this one. Alright, let's open this. What we have here, we have some GoPro stickers. I don't know guys where I will use this, maybe on my forehead. This is like kind of, you break it, we will replace. So but I think you guys have to pay for it. I mean you have to register or something. Alright, and it has a small instruction as well, like how you can mount your camera on your helmet, or how you can charge it or something like that. Okay, and go afterwards with this. And we have the manual books, safety instructions. What we have in the box here is, so yeah guys, the USB type C port, as you can see, but it doesn't have fast charging guys, so it takes around 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, so just keep in your mind. And this is the mount stickers guys, so you can mount your camera, you can stick it on your helmet, and this one is a flat one, so you can stick wherever you want, but do not stick your camera on your neighbor's window, all right? So that would be illegal, you'll be beaten. So yeah guys, that's all we have. I think we have a charger or what? No guys, we don't have any charger, so you have to just use your phone's charger, or you can use your laptop as well. So yeah, so we only get the USB type C port and the camera. All right, so we have the instruction here actually, and then you have to press these 2 sides like this, and whoa, just push it. That's it. Woohoo! So there it is, guys. And you can open your camera from here on the top side. You can see it this way. If you just do it like this, then push it from the back side. So push it and then take it out. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all. And we have the GoPro logo here. So let me just show you how you can mount your SD card. So you can see the side here, the window. So if you just do it like this, you will see the charging port here and the micro SD card slot here. But make sure you close it properly after you charge or after you insert your memory card, because if you don't close this properly, you're gonna lose your waterproof thing. So it's not gonna be waterproof anymore, all right? So just be careful with that. And we have one microphone here, another one at the back here. So let's turn it on. So how you turn it on, we have two buttons here, one here at the back and another one on the top. So this is kind of to shooting pictures or videos, and another one is the menu button. All right, there we go. We have a charge. Guys, so this is a turn off button as well, and it's not very light, but it's okay. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's the unboxing video. I will definitely do the review video after using few months or few weeks. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, because you're gonna be notified when I will upload the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you wanna know something more, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Keep rocking. Yo guys, don't forget to remove this thing, okay? It says remove. You see remove, because if this is still here, so you can't remove, you can't bend this. You can't bend this, okay? So you have to remove this thing. So how you remove it, just unscrew this, Jesus, and now just remove it. So now you can see we can actually bend these things. So all right, see you in the next one. Bye now.